Hi, I'm your Jagdish, and today we're discussing two most important concepts in this video. First one, what is programming language, and second one, which programming language is most useful in this current situation. These two topics we're discussing in this video. Let's start the video. First one, what is programming languages? So suppose we enter in the programming language. First we take one real life example. So if you stay in Karnataka, you must and should know Kannada. If you stay in Tamil Nadu, you must and should know Tamil. If you stay in Andhra Pradesh, you must and should know Telugu. Likewise, in our computer also, if you do activities with the system, if you know must and should these languages also. Likewise, for example, if you build websites, if you must and should know Java and Python. Okay, if you build gamings, you must and should know C++ and C hash. So this is the programming. So types of programming languages: first one Python, then Java, then C++, then C hash. So these are the programming languages. Not only this one, have much more is there, but mostly useful in this language in our systems. Okay, and then which programming language is most useful in this current situation? So that is Python. Why I'm say Python? Python is a full trending course. Likewise, if you see in the current situation, everyone is seeing the Instagram reels. In Instagram reels, some funny reels is come like that. I'm your onion, I'm your tomato. Like the funny faces will come. How they come? Through the Gen AI. So Gen AI, which language is running? Python. So and then AI, ML. So these are the current trending courses. All depends on Python languages. So that's why Python is the most important and trending also. Okay, in upcoming days I start the Python videos. Who are eagerly interested to learn in these technologies with me, please follow and support my account. And one more is, I stopped this journey for a long time because my mobile is not working properly, so that's why I'm stopping this journey. And one more is, who are follow and support my account, heartfully thanks to everyone. So in this time I'm planning to not a 2 or 3 minutes videos. In this time I'm planning to 10 or 15 minutes videos with the practical also, doing programmings activities like that I'm planning. So I will give 100% best in my side. So please support and follow my account. I don't want any comments, likes, anything. So from your side, I expected from your side, supported and then follow also. So that's thing I'm expected from your side. Okay, that's all enough for me. Okay, and thank you for watching this video. Bye.